Donate the Heart, and I'm back with the second video of my big sale. It's US only, PayPal only. You need to email me at scoop71@yahoo.com. And so this is number 2, video number 2. And let's go with lot number 6. So lot number 6 is either going to be $100 for all of this, or $30 for each one, except this one is going to be $25. Okay, so I love them. These are ones I haven't even used, and I'm just probably not going to get to them. So that's the only reason, because they are so cute. So this one is the one that is $25. So you just need to tell me that you want the dolphins, and it includes her, as well as the little mini her, Marcy, little mini Marcy, the dolphins, and the sentiments. And then these are the dies that it comes with. So it was palm tree, and that's what it comes with. Okay, so that one is $25 by itself. Or we have this one right here. These are each $30. And here you go. Now, this is the only one that I'll make a deal on. So if you decide that you want 2 of them, but you don't want all of them, then I'll take some money off, because I can ship them together and they'll be a little cheaper for me. Otherwise, each one is $30, except this one's $25, or it's $100. I'm sorry, yeah, $100 for all of them. Okay, so we have this one, and it includes the Marcy and, you know, that one. And then this one is the ballerina. These are the dies. And then here she is. This one I actually did use. This one I never used, I'm pretty sure. So you get the dies as well as the Marcy and the cute little Frenchies. And this one is a newer one, but I just am not going to be doing anything with bowling. So I thought about just doing like a bowling, like for gift cards, but I'm not going to get to it. So you get the dies and you get all of that. So each one of those is $30. This one's $25. You can buy all of them for $100. This is number 6. And like I said, if you buy at least 2 of them, then it'll be a little bit of a discount on that. I mean, shipping is technically free, so, but this is the only one that I would make a little bit of a deal with. Okay, so it's number 6. And number 7 is going to be $42, which I think is a steal, to be honest. You get this Take 2 stencil. It's brand new. I just ended up with 2 of them somehow. And so there's that. And then this right here, which I never used, but it's pretty cool. And it comes with these dies. And I just haven't used it. I'm just not going to. But it's got these dies. And I think it's pretty cool. It's just really not my style. And then this guy called Oh Snap, which I debated keeping him, but I haven't used him, so he's going. And then this doesn't belong in here. Sorry about that. This one right here, which is Silly Goose. This is the Taylor Expressions freebie for, I think, last month. And then there's those watercolor panels. And then this one right here. And then I have all of these free stamps that you get when you order from Tailored Expressions. So I think it was flowers. So I have the June and the September flower. There's 2 September flowers, I think. I know it looks like a different kind of flower. What is that? Oh, maybe it's September. And then it's May. I think I have 2 Mays. November, March, And then this is, for this year, they're doing these little critters, and I have the turtle. And then I have Berry Smoothie and Cinnamon ink. And then this is from Paper Tray Ink, and it is this, it makes a daisy, like a 3D daisy, or a 3D flower, 3D bow. I'm not quite sure exactly, but I believe you cut out 2 of them, and then these little holes, they all kind of go together. I thought about keeping it, so like if this one doesn't sell, then I'm probably going to pull it out and keep it, because you can make, I think you can make like a bow. I think it's maybe it's daisy. I don't know. I think you can make a bow with it, is what I think. There's a small one, big one. I think you cut it out twice, and then you just use like a little thing to hold it together, and it makes this bow you can put on presents. So I think it's pretty cool, actually. So, and then this one was supposed to go with something else, so I'm gonna stick it up here and see if it pops up. Anyway, that is going to be number 7, and it's $42. And then number 8, it's not an exact science doing these sales. I'm telling you, I try to plan the best I can. A lot of brand new stuff, honestly, in here. We have this one from the Ink Blocked Shop. This is brand new. I have these 2 right here, and this one is $45, but they go together, I believe, and they make a plaid background. I just haven't used them, so they gotta go. And then this one I bought twice, and it's super cute. I haven't even used mine yet. It's called Nature's Narrative, and I have the stencil that goes with it. I have this right here, stencil, and I have some cute, like little ephemera pieces. Ink Blot Shop. I hope I keep this one. It's really cute. This right here, which is from Hello Bluebird, and the die. This is clearly besotted. I bought this twice. I have this one. I have this Picket Fence Studios, and then I have this one plus the die. Okay, so this one is number 8, and it's $45. Okay, now we're on to number 9. Okay, so number 9 is also $45. It includes, I think this is the Ink Blot Shop, and it is the Simon Says Stamp Timber stamp set. I just don't think I ever used this one. It's really cute, though. My kids are getting big, so, you know. Then we have this one, which is really, really cute, but I have a lot of mermaids. This one right here, which is one that I have twice, because I love my CC Designs. And then we have this Great Yeti. And this is Neat and Tangled, which is no longer in business. This thing has the dies. And I made some really cute cards with these. The dies. This one. And the dies. These 2, which I debated keeping. This one is a September stamp set plus the dies. And this one plus the dies. And so this one is number 8, and it's $45. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I'll be back with video number 3.